Welcome to 999 Plumber. Plumbing, heating, kitchens and bathrooms. In Newbury, Thatcham, Reading and surrounding areas. We offer 24-hour plumbing emergency call-outs, including heating, floods and leaks, all throughout the night, 365 days a year. We're a small to medium local company based out of Newbury, Thatcham and Reading, covering the surrounding areas. We're proud members of Checker Trade, My Builder, Rated People and Trust a Trader. All our engineers are gas safe registered. Our plumbing and heating engineers are trained and qualified to the highest standards. We offer 1 hour emergency response time, 24 hours, 365 days of the year. All our work is guaranteed for 12 months and we run a modern fleet of vehicles ensuring reliability. And don't forget, we offer an exciting range of bathrooms and kitchens designed by our in-house design team. We can create the dream bathroom or kitchen of your choice. Call today for a representative to come round, visit your home, and within a few days we can have a design emailed over to you. We really do deliver fantastic kitchens and bathrooms designed to fit around your needs and your dreams. So, it's a big thumbs up from 999 Plumber, and it's a big thumbs up from me. Call today for all your plumbing, heating, kitchen and bathroom needs. Newbury 925 999, that's Newbury 925 999, or Reading 449 2155, that's 449 2155. Or go to our website 999plumber.co.uk and book an appointment online. We look forward to seeing you.